Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a long time since I have done a Boxycharm video. So for those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. You get 4 to 5 full-size products each month for about $22 and change. So I did suspend my Boxycharm for a little while because I was just getting way too much makeup, but I missed it, so I ended up getting it back because I totally think it's worth it, especially if you're trying to grow your like makeup, collection or whatever it is that you guys have. Excuse me for the hair. I haven't straightened it. Today's been a long day. But anyway, let's get into the unboxing. So when you open the box, it comes like this, and then it comes with, so I got a little, oh, okay. So this is $10 at the Ulta Skin Bar. Oh, this is from Elemis. So, and then the other, so that's a coupon. And then the other postcard is, what it tells you with your prices and everything that is on here. So the first thing I see is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. And this retails for $35. It says, get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. So I actually can't wait to try this. I absolutely love skincare. You don't understand the wonders that skincare has done for my face. It smells pretty good. It doesn't smell like vegetables, so that's a good thing. So these are Kojendol Spa Cleansing Water Cloths. So it says these are cotton cleansing spa water cloths, removes waterproof makeup and impurities while nourishing your skin with mineral rich cleansing spa water. And this retails for $17. Basically makeup wipes. I don't see in here how many makeup wipes. Oh, it brings 10. So that's pretty cool, I guess. And this is from Luxie. I'm guessing that these, oh yeah, so these are a 3-piece brush set, and this retails for $30. So it comes with a large eye blending, a precision crease, and foundation brush. So I'm guessing this is a large blending brush. Yes, it is. It's made out of wood. It's really pretty. They painted it pink. And then this is the foundation brush, which feels really good. And then this one is, so this is a precision crease brush, which I usually like to use these to like clean up the eyebrows. Or doing a cut crease. That's what I use it for. Literally about 50% of the brushes that I have, and I have a shit ton of brushes, have been because I've gotten them through Boxycharm. Oh, this is pretty. Another thing that I got in here is a Ultra liquid lipstick, and I'm absolutely in love with this color. This color is called Santorini, and let's see how much this. Oh, okay, so this retails for $20. You guys don't understand. I love these type of reds and just colors like this in general. Oh, it does have like a little bit of gloss, so that's pretty nice. That's actually a really pretty color. Pretty exciting. I really like this color. Yes. And then we have the last thing in here. We have an eyeshadow palette, and this is from Butter London. And this retails for $32. So, well, this is super cute. I've never really tried eyeshadows from Butter London, but these are really pretty colors. I don't really see like a crease color in here. There's a lot of shimmers. Let me swatch them and see. Okay. That one's Enchantress. This one is Queen, which is a really beautiful, like a rose bronzy color. This is Star, which is more like an olive color, which is really pretty. And then this is a Diva, Temptress, and a Female Fatale. So Diva, this is Diva, Temptress, and Femme Fatale. Yes. So those are the colors. It smells really good. It smells like coconut. So that's pretty cool. I can't wait to use this. I'll probably use them in like a makeup tutorial. I really like these colors up here. This one not so much. This one not so much. These two are actually very pretty. And the palette name is Natural Goddess. I don't know if I mentioned the... Okay, I did. I think I did. Well, just in case, it's $32. And wait, I got red lipstick on my face. So I know this has been a quick unboxing, but I like to get quick, down to the point, and that is my Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what you guys got down below if you do have Boxycharm. If you don't, I will leave a sign-in link down below. I mean, I do get charms if you do sign up with my link. But I totally think that it's worth it. That's why I ended up getting it again. And that is pretty much it for this video. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, guys.